Hi viewer, this is Upendra Anumala, Polity faculty. So in our last video classes, we completed making of the constitution. So today we are starting a new topic is called salient features of the Indian constitution. In these salient features, our constitution is very unique in its content because even we taken most of the text of the constitution from different world constitutions, but directly we are not written the same thing in our constitution because our framers modified every point, every subject matter which suitable to our Indian society, so that our constitution completely unique compared with other world constitutions. And even our constitution was changed in a different times on the basis of our culture and tradition and needs. So constitution, mostly the important amendments of the constitution here, example, if you take 7th constitution and 42nd constitution amendment act and 44th amendment act and 73rd and 74th amendment acts, all these are amended in the constitution because whenever in course of time our society, our lifestyle or our needs changed, on the basis of these changes our constitution also modified by our leaders. So this facility also provided in our constitution. Now come to the main point, the salient features of the constitution, and here in these salient features we have a separate topic, each and every topic in a detailed way, but here we have to explain some little information about this constitution. That is, example, the first salient feature was our constitution is lengthiest written constitution. See here, lengthiest written, that meaning some constitutions, unwritten constitutions are there. Example, Britain constitution is unwritten constitution, and written constitution, example, America and India. Why should we add the tag of lengthiest? Because our constitution is very bulky, and whenever it was enacted and adapted, the date 26th November 1949, it consisted, our constitution consisted 395 articles, 8 schedules, 22 parts and preamble, 5 appendices. Altogether it was extended right now, that is in 2019 the articles increased 464 and the schedules increased 12 and parts increased 22 to 25, because we have a flexibility to amend our constitution, and even we can enter new things into this constitution, and some parts or some articles also repealed from this constitution, right? Why our constitution is the lengthiest constitution? Because here 4 factors are there, important 4 factors: geographical factor and single constitution and lawyers interference, that means most of the people were lawyers, and political factors. What is the geographical factor? Geographically our India is vast country and we have a different cultures, languages, traditions, so that we have to give importance to every tradition, culture and region, so that our constitution was become very bulky. And here most of the constituent makers were lawyers, so that they uses the words which were very close to in the law making bodies. So because of that reason also our constitution become very lengthy. And the political factors, here we have a different type of institutions so that also our constitution become very lengthy. So these are the factors because of the lengthiest and written constitution. And one more continuation of this class, the major silent features we are discussing. Our constitution subject matters we drawn from various sources. Whenever we are taking or drawn from different countries' constitutions as a source to our Indian constitution, Dr. Ambedkar mentioned we are not borrowing these things. It is called ransacking. That meaning wherever the good thing is there, if we are taking and following that good thing, it is not a borrowing, it is called ransacking. Means we are also following the best way. Where other world countries are followed the best ways, we should also follow the way, is not borrowing. This is the main idea of the B.R. Ambedkar. And here we drawn from various sources, we said. Structural part of the constitution we derived from the Britain constitution, and philosophical part of our constitution we derived from the America and Ireland. What are the philosophical part? Fundamental rights and directive principles. Fundamental rights we derived from the America, and directive principles we derived from the Ireland. Wherever structural part, we derived the most of the structure of our constitution from a 1935 Act. The same as we derived the political part of our constitution from UK. That means government, cabinet, all these are we derived from the Britain. So structural part, philosophical part, political part, which were very, very important, we derived from 1935 Act, American Constitution, Ireland Constitution, and UK Constitution. Not only that, other countries' constitutions also. Example, duties, fundamental duties we derived from the Japan, and socialist principles we derived from the Russia, so on and so forth. So our constitution, the main sources we drawn from different countries. So the viewers who are watching this video, you like and share and subscribe. We will continue this class. We will start say in the next class remaining salient features.